If you're a busy entrepreneur looking for free and easy ways to streamline your workflow, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Brooklyn. I'm a certified QuickBooks expert and I own my own bookkeeping business managing QuickBooks for busy entrepreneurs. This is one of my favorite hacks that saves a tremendous amount of time and it's 100% free. Well, maybe I should take a step back because you do have to have a QuickBooks Online subscription. This feature is currently available for the Essentials, Plus, and Advanced subscriptions. If you do not have a QuickBooks Online subscription, what are you doing? I'm just kidding, but seriously, they are the best, and I wish I was getting paid to say this, but I'm not. I've been using QuickBooks for, yes, I'm an accountant, and I still use my fingers to count. 10, 11, oh my God, I'm getting old. 11 years now, and I have plenty of experience with other accounting software programs as well, and let me just tell you, I think QuickBooks is the best. So trust me or not, I don't really care, to be honest, but I think that they are the best. So I chose to get certified with QuickBooks, and in return, they give me exclusive access to discounts for my clients. So let me know if you're thinking about getting QuickBooks. I can get you a discount, no strings attached, or I can help you get set up and comfortable in QuickBooks. Send me an email if you're interested. So Brooklyn, get to it already. What is this incredible accounting hack that every business owner should know? It's called Rules, and it's a feature that helps automate your bookkeeping. The way it works is QuickBooks will scan through your uncategorized transactions, and if it recognizes one that you set requirements for it to meet, it will automatically categorize it for you. This feature works best for recurring transactions or if you purchase a lot of the same stuff from the same vendor. So let's jump into QuickBooks and I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so you'll obviously start off by signing into your QuickBooks account. Full disclosure, this is not one of my clients. This is a dummy account that QuickBooks created for their certification training. On the left-hand side, go down to All Apps, Accounting, Bank Transactions. This brings you to your bank feed. Here we have a checking account, a savings account, and a credit card. By the way, if you want to learn how to connect your accounts and get started in QuickBooks, I made this video for you here. We see all of our uncategorized transactions here in the pending tab. I see a transaction that I'd like to work with, Laura's Lamination. For the sake of this example, let's say that we purchase only business cards from this vendor. It's a recurring expense for our business. So next month, we'll see the same amount from the same vendor purchased from the same MasterCard. On the right-hand side, under the Actions column, click the drop-down arrow and Create Rule. It first asks us to name this rule, so I'm going to name it Business Card Subscription. Now it wants to know what transactions this rule should apply to. These are money out transactions from our MasterCard, but what's cool is you can add more than one account if, say, these transactions are also getting charged from your checking account. Now it wants to know the conditions. The first one will automatically appear here for the bank text. You can add more conditions here, and at the top, you can choose for this rule to trigger if all or any of the conditions are met. I'm going to add a condition and enter the amount here for $150. The reason that I like to do this is because if I wanted to purchase something else from Laura, say some laminated posters for my office, I don't want an office expense transaction to get automatically categorized to the advertising account with these business cards. So remember, creating more conditions acts like a safety net. Now you can click Test Rule and see how many transactions that this rule would apply to if you were to save it right now. Down here, this is what QuickBooks will do if the conditions up there are met. We want business cards categorized to advertising. This is an expense, and we'd like to add the payee, Laura's Lamination. You also have an option to add a product or service or customer if you are doing class tracking. There's even an option down here to replace the bank memo if you'd like. Now, once we click Save, QuickBooks will automatically categorize any transactions that met this requirement. They will move from the Pending tab to the Posted tab here. And you can see here that the rule was applied to this transaction. Now, if we go to our chart of accounts, which is All Apps, Accounting, Chart of Accounts, we can scroll down to Advertising, and when we run the report, we'll see all the transactions that were affected by the rule get categorized here. Okay, now let's say that Laura decided to increase her pricing to $160 a month. The rule we created will no longer trigger, and you'll start to see those $160 transactions in the pending bank feed. To fix this, we need to edit the rule. So on the left-hand side, go to Apps, Accounting, Rules. We'll find our business card subscription rule, edit it, and then change it from $150 to $160, and click Save. That will automatically categorize any pending transactions at $160. If we go back to our bank transactions, you'll see that updating the rule did not affect any of the previously categorized transactions at $150. So this was a very simple example, but it can be taken to a much larger level and save you a ton of time, especially if you are dealing with a lot of transactions of the same stuff from the same vendor. Just try to be careful, start small, and work your way up. Be specific, because you don't want to cause more work for yourself, having to go back and find transactions that were automatically categorized incorrectly. Remember, if you have any questions, I'm your bookkeeping bestie. Send me an email for a free consultation. I'm also accepting new clients right now. I can manage your QuickBooks if you're looking for a stress-free tax season, accurate monthly financial reports, and more free time for you to focus on what matters most. If you learned something today, drop a like, follow for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.